Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play multiplayer in Block Crazy Robo World step by step. Let's get started. Tap on Create New. Tap on Multiplayer. Tap on Proceed. That's it. Now you know how to play multiplayer in Block Crazy Robo World.